Hello CMA final students. Tomorrow is direct taxation exam. Please don't think about how you write the exam today. It is already over. Now let us focus on clearing tomorrow's direct tax paper. In this video, I will tell you specific topics from which there is higher probability to come question tomorrow. First, prepare those specific topics. Then if you want, you can prepare remaining topics also. Don't miss this video. Watch this till the end. I hardly take some 2 to 3 minutes of your time. It is worthy to watch this video. It will act as a navigator as to how to qualify tomorrow's direct tax exam. Okay. Uh, Hardly you need to spend 8 to 9 hours sufficient. First, transfer pricing, very important. At least 20 to 24 marks will come from this transfer pricing chapter. 20 to 25 marks can be expected. In transfer pricing, first please read section 94B, like interest on borrowed capital from non-resident associated enterprise, in like limitation on benefit clause. From this question number 6B always is giving relating to section 94B. In class also I have discussed many times. Actual interest or 30% of EBI TDA, whichever is lower will be allowed as deduction. Read this. Definitely tomorrow you will get question from this concept. Next, please go through methods to calculate arm's length price and secondary adjustment. These three, and optional, after you do these three things, also go through the provisions of advance pricing agreement and rollback. That is also important. Next, assessment of various entities. He is always asking question from 115 BAB and 115 BAA. With regard to 115 BAB, 115 BAA, I uploaded marathon. Watch that part only. 115 BAB, BAA, you will get clarity, and you can, from this, I'm expecting 115 BAC, BAB and BAA, one question in tomorrow's exam. Next, on MAT and AMT also he might ask a question. Prepare this concept also. With regard to PGBP, please prepare adjustments. With regard to tax audit, the tax audit is very vast. Recently he introduced a tax audit. I am not expecting in-depth question from tax audit. What I am expecting is only he will check as to applicability of tax audit. So please prepare applicability of tax audit. I think it is sufficient. Next, advanced tax and interest. From this also 7 marks question is coming. Very easy only. 234A interest, 234B interest, 234C interest. In my marathon also you can watch 20 minutes only. Easily you will understand. Next, survey, search and seizure. This is very important. Always one 7 marks question is coming. You need not read entire assessment procedures. Read survey, search and seizure, and read 4 assessments. 143.3 regular assessment or scrutiny assessment, 144 best judgment assessment, 147 income escaping assessment, block assessment. Read these. Next, appeals and revisions also very important. Read this as well. Next, in non-resident taxation, 3 concepts. Please read these 3 concepts and go. Question number 4B always he is asking from non-resident taxation. Please prepare NRI taxation. First proviso to section 48, capital gain calculation. Whenever non-resident invests money, invests in shares or debentures of Indian company, we will calculate capital gains in foreign currency. Capital gain in foreign currency is converted into Indian rupees. That concept is important. Go through it. And in case of non-resident sportsman, non-resident entertainer, TDS will be deducted under section 194E at the rate of 20% plus applicable surcharge plus HEC. Go through this concept also, very important. Next, double taxation avoidance agreement. DTAA is also very important. 7 marks question you will get from DTAA. And last, business restructuring and reconstruction. Many students are asking me, sir, with regard to business restructuring and reconstruction, there is no revision lecture. Don't worry, today I will upload some 20 minutes revision of business restructuring and reconstruction. Watch that video, it will be sufficient. Okay, so in this order, please prepare. All this preparation should get finished by tonight, and tomorrow morning 2 hours exclusively you should allocate for MCQs. Before going to examination, please prepare MCQs. I have shared the PDF also, because The moment you read MCQs and go to the examination, you see the MCQs immediately your subconscious mind will tell you the answer. There are high chances you will score good marks in MCQs. So MCQs don't study today. Tomorrow early morning, please study MCQs sufficient. At least out of 200 to 50 MCQs, at least you will get some 7 to 8 MCQs. Easily you can score some 15 marks. 15 to 20 marks from those MCQs. So tomorrow morning, please study MCQs. Study in this way, you will clear. I am available all through today. You can message me or Telegram or mobile or Instagram, anything. I am there for you today. All the best. Thank you. Bye.